Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what are the messages for the last 15 days of April. So as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. On one side will be your energies, they may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarians. Okay, so we have the Five of Swords, the Three of Wands, King of Cups, Page of Pentacles, King of Swords, okay. And the Ace of Pentacles, okay. The Queen of Wands, the Nine of Swords, Three of Cups, and the Sun, okay. So Aquarians, you'll be dealing with some sort of either an argument or a fight or some sort of a maybe some sort of a manipulation or self-sabotage type of an energy. There's something which is harming you, or something is which is not very positive for you in your life. Okay, either it is a mind game, somebody manipulating you or you manipulating. It's something like that which is not very healthy. And whatever this situation or a collaboration is, you are turning your back to it. Okay, and once you are turning your back to it, you are gaining back your power, I should say. You are in control of your emotions, you are gaining your power. So you are leaving something or someone behind who is causing this manipulative type of an energy, and you are moving on towards something new, turning your back to this. And what I am getting here is that you are now very, very emotionally controlled, and you want something new. You are ready for a new beginning. You are moving towards a new beginning, and you are moving it in a very strategic and a beautiful way, in a sense that you are emotionally controlled, you are guarded, you are defensive, you are strategic. It's like as if you are in a power of authority. You have taken the charge of your life. It's something like that. You are in a power of authority. You are now wanting to, it's like you want your life to sail well now. Okay, you want your life to, you are now in charge of your life. Whatever it is, you have taken the power of your life in your hands, and now whatever you want something stable, you want long term, you want commitment, you want something new. Okay, and what I feel is you are making a move towards something which may now seem to be small, but it is this big. It is going to give you a beautiful and a long term stability. So even if the effort or a step may be small, but it is huge. It is huge, and what I feel is, you know it. You know it, that what you are moving towards slowly and steadily, strategically, well controlled, is something big. It's something big for you. It's something important, or someone important. Okay, that's what I feel. Okay, and then we have the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Sun, which I pulled up extra, seeing this Nine of Swords. So what I feel here is, with the Queen of Wands, Nine of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles, there may be influence of, see, what I feel is, it can be that since you are manifesting a new beginning for yourself, it can be the old anxiety and the fear which is taking a toll on you, and you collaborating with people to move ahead in life towards your happiness, because this is what you want. Okay, so maybe this is, you are collaborating with people, teaming up with your friends, family, taking their opinions, something like that, because obviously there are some stressful times in between, off and on, while you are trying to leave this situation and moving towards something new, and which is this something new and stable is your happiness. So what I feel here is that these are the times when you are stressing yourself in between because of some reason, but you are finding a way out. You are finding a way out after talking to your family and friends, or you are taking guidance or help from other people, something like that, and you are restoring your happiness. Yes, this is commitment coming in with the Five of Diamonds. It is something which is committed, something stable, and it is a marriage, a long-term relationship, and that is what you are wanting. That is what you are wanting. Okay, so you are leaving behind some manipulation, it's not a healthy relationship which is causing sabotaging, which is sabotaging you also. So you're turning your back to whatever it was in your life, and you are now taking the charge in your own hands, taking small steps towards it, and you know it's big, it's new, it's big, it's important. And even though there are small energies in between of fear and anxiety, perhaps, that will you be able to make it? It can be as simple as that. Maybe this anxiety is that will I be able to make it through finally? But yes, you will be able to do it with the sun being there. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Choose freedom. Number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but that is often an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. And that is what you are doing here. You are turning your back to something which is really sabotaging you, and you are choosing freedom. That is what you are doing, and that is the guidance from the angels also. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.